Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. Z.ai's new GLM47 is now live on Cerebras Cloud, delivering a blazing 1,000 tokens per second and beating top models on coding benchmarks at 1/10 the cost. As an open-weight model anyone can download and run, it's finally making real-time AI agents fast and affordable enough for everyday development. Qwen launched state-of-the-art multimodal retrieval models that search text, images, and videos together. These open-source models work immediately with vLLM, a popular inference engine, so you can deploy production-ready AI search today. AI21 Labs just released Jamba 2, a family of small models that merge Mamba, an efficient alternative to transformers with traditional attention layers to handle 256,000 tokens on edge devices. These Apache 2.0 models beat much larger competitors at instruction following while running at 40 tokens per second on laptops. GitHub Copilot now auto-loads agent skills, folders containing custom instructions from your repo so you never repeat yourself. It's live in VS Code and the command line. NVIDIA just supercharged TensorRT-LLM to run massive MOE models, which only use a fraction of parameters at once, up to 2.8 times faster on Blackwell GPUs. The new TensorRT Edge LLM brings that same AI power to cars and robots for local cloud-free processing. Google just gave 3 billion Gmail users a free AI assistant powered by Gemini 3's massive 1 million token memory, letting you search your entire email history with natural language questions. AMD just launched Hummingbird-XT, a video AI model that runs 33 times faster on consumer graphics cards. Plus, XZFP4 Quantization compresses models to 4-bit precision with almost no quality loss. Microsoft is transforming Dynamics 365 from a system of record into a system of action by integrating the Model Context Protocol. This open standard acts like USB-C for AI agents, securely unlocking hundreds of thousands of business functions across tens of thousands of forms. Google's Gemini CLI now ships with pre-built monitoring dashboards that track token usage and code productivity through OpenTelemetry, an open standard for tracking software performance. Meanwhile, AI Studio gets a polished UI with smoother drag and drop and better mobile support for developers building apps on the go. Liquid AI released a 2.6 billion parameter model that summarizes hour-long meetings in 16 seconds on a laptop, using under 3 gigabytes of RAM. It processes everything locally so your data stays private, and it's free with open weights. Sakana AI just released Digital Red Queen, a system where language models act as mutation engines in Core War, a classic programming battle game, driving an endless evolutionary arms race that forces AI code to continuously adapt just to survive. OpenBMB's new ChatDev 2.0 is a visual drag-and-drop platform for building teams of AI agents. This open-source tool lets you orchestrate complex tasks like coding or deep research using multi-agent workflows. No programming required. Soul AI Lab just open-sourced to SolX FlashTalk, a 14 billion parameter model that creates real-time talking avatars from audio in under a second. It uses self-correcting bidirectional distillation, which compresses sampling steps to stream at 32 frames per second, 3 times faster than existing models. Krea AI just launched custom LoRA training for Alibaba's new Qwen3 and Z image models, letting anyone create personalized AI art styles right in their browser. No expensive GPUs or coding skills needed. Kling team just unveiled Klear, a 26 billion parameter unified model that generates synchronized audio and video from text, claiming it matches Google's VO3 on lip sync quality while solving the alignment problems that plague separate audio and video systems. That's it for today's Daily Epic AI news. Come back tomorrow for more industry updates.